Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to make some chicken fajita for my husband's dinner and some for me to take to work. To make this simple recipe, this is what I'm going to need. I'm going to need some chicken breasts, seasoning, onion, bell pepper, and tortillas, flour tortillas, and some mild salsa and some sour cream. Okay, so I'm gonna have to start chopping. I already washed the chicken. I can rewash it again. Rewash it again and cut them into strips.
Can we play outside together?
Yeah, just be careful, it's windy out there.
Okay.
Tree limbs are
We're just
scary.
trying to look for these. Darlene, is the right Mr. Clay? Do you want me to pause it?
And turn the TV off.
Do it.
Cut the chicken into strips just like that.
You'll do it. I need to put my foot back on.
Oh yeah, that's safe for your feet.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm done cutting the chicken and I'm going to put it in a pan, cook it in a butter. Cook the chicken in a butter until it's tender brown. Don't overcook the chicken so it won't be tough. Start frying up the chicken. And while I'm frying the chicken, I'm going to cut the bell pepper and the onion. Here we go. Just lightly brown, not overcooked. And let's cover it up. Okay, I'm going to chop some of these bell peppers and onions into strips too. My husband don't like a whole bunch of seasoning and a whole bunch of bell pepper and onion because it gives him a heartburn. So I will only chop a little bit of it. Okay, I'm going to put the seasoning in this small bowl and I will add a little bit of water to dissolve the seasoning and then put it on my chicken. There's my seasoning. I put water on it, then I'm going to add it on my chicken and then let it boil for a while.
What are boards?
Huh?
What are the boards?
What?
What is this?
Here we go. Okay, my chicken is almost done. And I'm going to set this aside on a plate. And then I will stir fry the onion and the bell pepper. There you go. Set this aside. More butter for the pan to cook the onion and the bell pepper. Oh, the combination of the onion and the bell pepper smells so good together. And there's my baby. She was outside. They were outside looking for some acorn. Boo! That's Angeline's pumpkin from school. Here we go. Let's check if this is done. Done. It smells so good. Oh my god. It smells so good. Okay, so this is my finished product of the chicken and the onion bell pepper mixture. And the next step to do is put them in a wrap, just like that. Put them in a wrap, tortilla wrap. Just a little bit of onion because it gives a heartburn. There you go. More chicken. More chicken, please. Okay. The neighbor's cat. And then some cheese.
Yeah, okay.